Start para. The case of the petitioners in the petition is as follows. Para. In 1964, respondent number 7, that is Abhyudaya Cooperative Bank Limited, was registered under the Maharashtra Cooperative Societies Act 1960. In 1965, respondent number 7 was converted into a bank with the permission of respondent number 1, that is Reserve Bank of India, and the Commissioner of Cooperation. In September 1988, respondent number 7 complied with the norms to become a scheduled bank. Thereafter, respondent number 7 has been declared as a scheduled bank by respondent number 1. In 2007, two banks in Gujarat and one bank in Karnataka were amalgamated into respondent number 7, and therefore respondent number 1 became a multi-state cooperative bank with effect from September 2007. Respondent number 1 issued supervisory directions from 28 February 2014 to 17 February 2020 to respondent number 7, whereby restrictions were placed upon respondent number 7 for advancing loans, and thus restricting respondent number 7 to loan transactions for not more than rupees 6,329.11 crores. It is the case of the petitioner that this affected profit of respondent number 7. On 17th February 2020, respondent number 1 lifted the supervisory restrictions upon the advances of loan, and respondent number 7 was permitted to advance loans as per the exposure limit, which was rupees 130 crores per borrower. Para. It is the case of the petitioners that the functioning of respondent number 7 was very smooth and it was making profit. In March 2020, respondent number 7 was classified as A class in the audit of the bank up to March 2020. Respondent number 7 could pay dividend at the rate of 5% for the financial year 2018-19 with the permission of respondent number 1, and thus the functioning of respondent number 7 was very regular up to March 2020. From March 2020, the COVID pandemic spread all over Maharashtra, Gujarat and Karnataka, and all business activities virtually stopped. This pandemic situation adversely affected the volume of business conducted by persons who had availed of loans from respondent number 7. In the result, the recovery of loan amounts was also severely prejudiced. On 28th May 2021, respondent number 1 imposed a supervisory action framework pursuant to these restrictions as imposed by respondent number 1. Respondent number 7 duly complied with the action framework timeline and submitted all the relevant and requisite documents to the satisfaction of respondent number 1. This action was supervised by the Board of Directors, that is, the petitioners, and the documents to that effect are a part of respondent number 7. On 1st June 2021, respondent number 7 constituted a Board of Management as per the directions of the Supervisory Action Framework dated 28th May 2021. This Board of Management consisted of 2 bankers and 1 advocate as external members, and 2 chartered accountants and 1 person having more than 25 experience in banking as internal members. Stop.